We realise at the moment many people are struggling to keep up the momentum of the home workouts that were perhaps common practice at the start of the lockdown, as the variety is getting more hard to bring in. So you're not alone, and I've got some tips for you to help your productivity in terms of your workouts and also to keep you safe. It's more challenging because you don't have that release of going to the gym where you might have a particular time or class to get to. So you need to try and recreate that environment at home and treat it as a specific time when you're going to dedicate your energy and commitment to that time of the day. So rather than it being just an add-on to the end of the day, plan it into your day first, around your meetings, and then schedule your work diary if you can around it so you make sure it gets done. So it's really important to basically replicate what you're doing in the gym in terms of footwear and wear the trainers that you would in the gym. There's a chance that you would want to be barefoot so you don't make as much noise or you don't scuff up the carpet. But if you're not practiced in training in barefoot, you shouldn't just bring that into your home workouts, especially as sometimes home workouts tend to have a little bit more plyometric training in it. And if your foot hasn't had that strength gain over a number of weeks of building up, it may lead to foot injuries or Achilles injuries, or even further up the chain, knee injuries or hip injuries. So stick to wearing trainers as you would in the gym. Not all exercise videos come with a dedicated warm-up, so it's quite important that you do your own warm-up, okay? A lot of them do, but some of them don't. The other thing is, if you've been sitting down for a long time in front of your desk, when you haven't had the luxury of getting up in office and going to meetings and having lunch breaks as much as you would normally, your body's going to be stiffer than usual. So dedicating some time to do either your own warm-up as an extended warm-up, even just going out and running around the block for 5 minutes and getting your body moving, more than the standard warm-up that's in the exercise videos, is going to make your body a lot more primed for the exercise class that you're going to do. Another good concept to have is to bookend your exercise so that there's 5 minutes before and 5 minutes afterwards, so you're not just rushing from your seat to the exercise and then back down into your seat. It gives you time to replenish, hydrate, have a snack if needed, cool down, have a stretch, foam roll, whatever you would normally do if you had time in the gym. Again, you're replicating what you do in the gym as close as you can into your home workout. If this information has been useful to you, then please feel free to comment below or subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you'd like any more information, then feel free to email me or call the clinic.